CSP wants people to avoid going to the east and northeast Colorado. U.S. Colorado's eastern plains and the front range of snowstorm and high wind warnings were released. Blizzard means that it is not impossible on Tuesday South Denver, but a combination severe snow powerful winds may mean whiteness conditions in the South Denver I-15, east the city I-70 I-76. According to 9 News meteorologist Chris Bianchi, there may be significant delays at the Denver International Airport on Tuesday. The National Weather Service Boulder said that the warnings began in the afternoon and will be force until Wednesday morning. Bianchi said it was caused by storm system that brought snow and cold temps to the Denver metro area, and mountains were retreats. The areas under blizzard warning include the districts of following Douglas, Elbert, Sedgwick. Most of Lincoln, Kit, Carson, Kiowa shed the estimation of National Weather Service calls for 29 inches to make more profits. But the main problem will blow up profit up to 60 miles h between 2,935 miles h. A snowstorm warning East Colorado in I-70 is force. The conditions are rapidly worsening and conditions will continue to deteriorate throughout today and tomorrow. Lemon, December 25, 2023. Colorado State Patrol said that road conditions are worsening and they want people not to drive in areas under blizzard warning. NWS also released high wind warnings for East Larimer, northern Weld. Logan and Morgan recommended videos severe weather